and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you with an unboxing. This is for the Curlbox. This is a special box that they just had. You know that they have the monthly subscription for $25 a month, $20 for the box, $5 for shippings. But this is some additional boxes that they have. Like periodically, they will sporadically sell a box for maybe $30 or $20 with $5 shipping. Sometimes the shipping is free. So this was $25 if I'm not mistaken. It was $20 and $5 for shipping for this. So this is just a random box that they had to sell. You know, your girl had to jump on it because I'm never missing their boxes because they're always bomb.com. So this is one of those boxes. It was $20 with $5 shipping. So let's just see what's in the box. When you first open the box, it always has the booklet on the top of it. And this is the iconic hair care curl box. So this is what this box theme is. Afro Sheen curl box. And her, y'all gonna get sick of me, but they slay. They slay. I love the earrings. I love the little baby hair showing. You can use your little stuff from the baby hair box that they had back way, and then her afros are just bomb. So then it has the products in the inside, and this is just fire. Like this dress, this whole situation is just bomb.com. So yes, then it has a booklet for the products that you're going to receive. Has a booklet for them, and then you know it always comes with the Curlbox Hey Curl Friend cord. So let's just get into the products. So it always has the black tissue paper in it. You open it up and these are the products. The first thing we have is an Afro Sheen 3-in-1 nourishing oil for hair, scalp, and beard. Okay, they doing something for the fellas for their beards. This is 4.0 fluid ounces and it looks like this. I love this packaging. I love just the purple, and I love all the different type of pics on it. Just so freaking cute and creative. The next thing I have is the Velvet Flow 4-in-1 leave-in detangler and curl refresher right here. This is 8 fluid ounces. I just love this color on here. This is so pretty. I don't know about the smell though. It kind of stank a little bit, but it's okay. The next thing I have here is the Texture Flexing Foam. This defines and sets hair. This is 8.5 fluid ounces. So some foam and wrap. Then we have this Texture Setting Cream Gel. Lasts a long hold with no flakes. This has no sulfates, mineral oil, petroleum jelly, or not formulated with parabens. So this is how it looks. This is 12 fluid ounces. And then we have the last product, Slick Back Cream Styler Smooths and Holds. This is an extra hold. Okay, this is 6 fluid ounces. So I guess this is like an edge control. No. I guess this is like a gel. It's gonna work as a gel, so to speak, to hold your curls and give them that shine. So yeah, these are all the products they have. I'm very interested to try these. I've never heard of these Afro Sheen. I saw some other reviews and people were saying that they were out already, but I've never heard of this particular brand. So as always, y'all already know your girl is excited to try these. But yeah, these are how the products look. I love this packaging. This is like one of the cutest packages that I've seen on a hair company. I love the different types of pics on here. It's giving me like Black Power vibes. That's what I'm getting from this. Like, I want to just wear my afro with the big hoops, you know what I'm saying? So these are all the products, and look at this. This is even so cute to have this pic on the actual containers of the packages. Just really pretty. So those are all the products that I have. I'm pretty sure they have more of these boxes because they ship this off to me like extremely fast. So I'm pretty sure they have more. If this is a box that you are interested in, you still can go online. As always, I'm going to put the link down below so you can go directly there. If you would like to purchase any of these boxes that I showcase, you definitely can do that. Some of them are sold out, like the monthly one, but Other boxes, like the random boxes that they just sell, you're always welcome to purchase those boxes. Well, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musix44. Until next time, all my KeyBees and KeyDogs out there. Peace.